There is a frozen world in our solar system, so far away that one trip around the Sun takes about 11,400 Earth years. Its name is Sedna, a distant, reddish world drifting far beyond Pluto in one of the coldest and darkest regions ever observed around our Sun. And what makes Sedna fascinating is not just its distance. It is the fact that it may remain a mystery for a very long time. Sedna does orbit the Sun, but its path is extremely stretched. At its closest, it still stays about 76 times farther from the Sun than Earth is. That means, even when Sedna comes nearest to the Sun, it is still more than twice as far away as Pluto usually is. But at its farthest point, Sedna travels nearly 937 astronomical units from the Sun. At that distance, sunlight is almost gone. The Sun would no longer look like the powerful glowing disk we see from Earth. It would look more like a bright star in an endless black sky. Sedna is believed to be extremely cold, frozen, and coated with ices and radiation-altered materials. Over billions of years, cosmic radiation may have darkened and reddened its surface, turning it into an ancient fossil from the early solar system. But the biggest mystery is how Sedna got there. Its orbit is too strange to explain easily. Neptune, which shaped many objects beyond Pluto, is too far away from Sedna's closest point to strongly control it. So scientists think something else may have disturbed Sedna long ago. Maybe a passing star pulled it outward. Maybe it was thrown there during the chaotic birth of the solar system. Maybe an undiscovered massive planet shaped its orbit. Or maybe Sedna belongs to the inner Oort cloud, a hidden region of icy bodies sitting between the Kuiper belt and the far edge of the solar system. That is why Sedna matters. It may not just be another frozen rock. It may be a clue to the history of the Sun, the missing architecture of the outer solar system, and possibly even the existence of unknown worlds. But here is the problem. Studying Sedna up close is extremely difficult. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft took more than 9 years to reach Pluto. And Pluto was much closer than Sedna. If a spacecraft traveled at a similar average speed, reaching Sedna near its closest region could still take around 20 to 30 years, depending on the route, launch timing, and gravity assists. And that would likely only be a flyby. To actually slow down and orbit Sedna would be far harder, because the spacecraft would need extra fuel or advanced propulsion to brake after decades of travel. If Sedna were near its farthest point, the problem becomes almost unreal. At nearly 937 astronomical units away, a New Horizons-like spacecraft could take centuries to reach it. Not years, centuries. And even if we sent a probe, it would need nuclear power, highly durable electronics, and the ability to survive decades in deep space where sunlight is too weak for normal solar power. That is why Sedna is so fascinating. It belongs to our solar system, yet feels almost unreachable. A frozen red world with an 11,400-year orbit. A possible fossil from the solar system's birth. A possible clue to Planet 9. And a reminder that beyond Pluto, our solar system is still hiding worlds we barely understand. So if humanity could send one probe on a 30-year journey to Sedna, would the mystery be worth the wait?